Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is number 10. Break number 10. eBay break number 10. 5-box break of 2018 and 19 Contenders Optic Basketball. Good luck. Blue Prism on-card rookie ticket auto is Zaire Smith. He is on the Philadelphia 76ers. He is numbered 82 of 99. Atomic Prism Red Magic Johnson winning tickets. He is on the Lakers. Those are usually not numbered. It doesn't look like that one is. Blue Atomic front row seat of James Harden going to the Houston Rockets. Then we have base Montrezl Harrell for the LA Clippers. Silver Prism of Joe Harris for the Brooklyn Nets. And a red Prism Giannis for the Milwaukee Bucks. Not numbered on Giannis. Silver Prism rookie ticket on-card auto is Aaron Holiday for the Indiana Pacers. Not numbered on that one, though. Blue Atomic Prism Scottie Pippen. He is winning tickets. Chicago Bulls. Gary Payton Class X. Seattle Supersonic goes to the Oklahoma City Thunder. Jeremy Lamb, season ticket, Charlotte Hornets, base. Red Prism is Tristan Thompson, season ticket, Cleveland Cavs. And a silver season ticket Prism, TJ Warren, Phoenix Suns. Ooh, Grant Hill, legendary Contenders autograph, Detroit Pistons. What's that out of? 1 out of 10. 1 of 10, legendary auto, Grant Hill. Nice hit. Hall of Fame contender LeBron James for the Lakers, silver Prism. Red Atomic front row seat is Kemba Walker, Charlotte Hornets. Then we have Blake Griffin, base. Season ticket, silver Prism, Big Ben Simmons. And a blue Prism for the 76ers, Jimmy Butler, and he is 60 out of 99. Silver Prism rookie ticket on-card auto, Michael Porter Jr. for the Denver Nuggets. Denver. Hall of Fame contenders, Blue Atomic, Atlanta Hawks. It is Vince Carter. Lottery ticket, Silver Prism rookie, Miles Bridges. Base is Kemba Walker, season ticket. Silver Prism, Evan Fournier, season ticket, Magic. And a red Prism for the Magic of Aaron Gordon. Alright, last one up. redemption? Yeah, okay. We'll save that then. Derrick Rose base. Silver Prism, John Collins, Atlanta Hawks. Blue Prism is Josh Richardson, Miami Heat. 90 out of 99. There's our redemption. Is this red? Red Atomic? Yeah. Red Atomic, Paul Pierce for the Boston Celtics. And then a blue Atomic front row seat of Blake Griffin. Redemption. Rookie season ticket is the card set. Card number is 104. Rodions Kurucs. He is on the Brooklyn Nets. Rodions Kurucs. That is not numbered for Blake Griffin. So Michael Porter and Grant Hill being the two biggest notable ones in my opinion out of those 5. Coming up next is 2019 Panini Chronicles 4-box break.